to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part, or more or less the piano part, to Drops of Jupiter by Train. The chords are very straightforward, really. It's just one of those that's played in a very rhythmical way, so I'll do my best to explain it, but when you listen to it live, it's never played the exact same way every single time, but the chords are always the same. I will attempt to sing each section just to act as like a reference point. I've also left the full chords and lyrics linked down below as well. Here is middle C as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. This one's in the key of C major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C major. So I'm mostly using the white keys. So I'll teach you the intro first. I'll use both hands. Left hand is blue and the right hand is orange on the screen. So we play, I'll just teach you the straightforward plain chords first. So we have C major, the right hand is second inversion, so it's G, C and E with C in the left hand. So we go 1, 2, 3. Play that again. Change the E to an F, and that gives us an inversion of C sus4. So this is C sus4. We're just spreading the notes out there. So we have, and then we have G major root position. So G's in the left hand. Don't play octaves if you can't play octaves, just play singular notes. And then G, B, D in the right hand, and obviously work within the octaves that you do have. So here we're going to go 1, 2, 3, play it again, turn the B and D into C and E. So we have like a C major second inversion again over a G, and then F major root position, so it's F, A, C with F's in the left hand. And this is one of the bits where it's kind of like mess around with the notes and sort of play it how you want to play it. So it's more or less going, and then you're going to play, turn the A to a G and play 3 times. Change to the A, so we have the F, play the F major again, and then just change the C to a D, and this gives us like D minor first inversion over F. I'll do all of this again slowly, again just plainly. So C major, change to F, G major, again C and E, F major, change G, G A, change to D. That's how you would basically play it with just holding the left hand down. But the left hand is kind of like adding extra notes here and there, just before like a change. So we've got like, and then we have a quick D to G. Just play octaves again, and we have a quick C to F, so you can sort of see I'm just sort of filling in gaps with like my thumb or my little finger. Again, this is not super exact because it would make a very long-winded tutorial. This is generally what's being played. So I'll do all that again. And you basically do that again 3 times. Again, it might not be, this bit might not be exact. You can play around with the rhythm. Just, play around with the rhythm, changing from the G to the A, and just playing the odd note, extra note in the left hand every now and then. It's a very rhythmical way of playing, but I can't tell you exactly what to do. You just have to play around with yourself. So I've got the lyrics up here. Okay, so we've got, and now that she's back in the atmosphere, drops of Jupiter in her hair. So now we are into the chorus. So the chorus then, we have G major, which we've already had. Tell me, did you sail across? And you're going to quickly turn the left hand to an A before we go into D major. So that's F sharp, A, and D. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got a passing chord of C major over E. So the C major chord we've had before, but with E in the bass this time, and that's into F major. First inversion, so A, C, F with F's in the left hand. So do that again. But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded and that heaven is overrated? Okay, so this bit we have a C sus2, so that's G, C, and D with C's in the left hand. So it's kind of sort of playing the rhythm that the vocal line is. And then heaven is overrated, sort of. And then the next bit, and tell me, G, A, D major. Turn the F sharp to an F, so now we have D minor. Again, the chords are on the screen, make sure you're writing things down and just focusing on one section at a time and going back and rewatching sections, etc. So, but tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded and that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall for a shooting star? One without a permanent scar? And now we're into the post-chorus, which is just the same as the intro. Now we're into the next verse. Now she's back from the soul vacation, tracing away through the constellation. And then this next bit of the verse, so we have, and now that she's back in the atmosphere, afraid of that she might think of me as. And then we just sort of play rhythmically this F sus2. Play no J top story about a man who was too afraid to fly, so he never did land. So we got. And I'll play it differently this time as well. So you're just kind of like vamping it. And occasionally changing the G to an A. So you can have fun and play around with your own rhythm of doing that. Now she's back from the soul vacation, driving away through the constellation. And they're into the chorus. Tell me, did the wind sweep you off your feet? Did you finally get a chance to dance along the light of day and head back to the Milky Way? Tell me, did Venus blow your mind? this post-chorus then that I just played at the end. So we have G, C and D, and you're gonna alternate between the D and the E. So we're C in the left hand. So we got, stay there whilst you move the left hand to G. Rhythmically play in your own rhythm the F flat 2, change it to the A in your own way, and then we're into the bridge. So once we've done the post-chorus, we do that one more time. So that last bit, we go into a new chord, so it's B flat major second inversions. B flat or B flat in the left hand, and then F, B flat, D. Then if you can, we're gonna sort of use the string part, because it sounds effective. I don't think this is played on the piano. And then we'll change the D to an E, change it to an F, change it to a G if you can, but if not, just play those notes. So we got, and then into F major, and then we have a quick, which leads back into tell me, into the chorus bit, so the F to F sharp. So I'll just demonstrate all that bridge now then. Okay, so this last chorus is almost the same as the other choruses. We just play that first chord progression twice. Tell me, did the wind sweep you off your feet? Did you finally get the chance to dance along the light of day? Your head plunged toward the Milky Way. But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded? And then tell me, did you fall for a shooting star? Born without a permanent scar, and then you will miss me while you're looking for yourself off. And then we're into, which is the same as the bridge basically, so it's on the screen. This bit again. Then it ends on the F. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.